Hamantaschen, it's a traditional Jewish cookie for the holiday of Purim. It's a triangle cookie stuffed with walnuts and dates. Delicious, tender, and melt in your mouth. Hello everyone, it's Molly from Molly's Home Cooking Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this amazing cookie. To make the dough, you need 3 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, half a tablespoon of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Cut to cube 2 sticks of soft unsalted butter. Add the butter and 3/4 cup of sugar. In a standing mixer with pedal attachment, start mixing the butter till it's fluffy. After a couple of minutes, scrape the side and continue mixing on a medium speed. In a separate bowl, crack 2 eggs and add them one at a time to the butter mixture. Continue mixing till everything incorporated. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and zest from the whole lemon. Make sure to get only the yellow part. Add the flour and mix it no longer than a minute. You don't want to overwork the dough because it will result tough dough. You want to get a wet crumbs. By pressing it in your fingers, it will hold together. That's what we want to achieve. We want to achieve a soft, flaky dough. Transfer the dough to a clean wrap and press it with your fingers to a bowl. Cover it and shape it like a disc. With a rolling pin, roll out the dough to flatten it and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes or overnight. In a bowl, add 200 grams of date spread and 1 cup of coarsely chopped walnuts and mix it well. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder and a pinch of ground cloves. Ground cloves, it's a strong spice, but when you add it right, it brings any dish to a different level of flavoring, so don't skip it. On a lightly floured surface area, roll out the dough to 1/4 inch thickness. Make sure to rotate the dough to prevent it from sticking to the surface. I use 3 inches diameter of cookie cutter to create circles. If you don't have cookie cutter, you can use a glass. Peel the excess of the dough and keep it for the second batch. Add about 1 teaspoon of filling on each circle. Don't overfill it because it will be very hard to shape it. To shape the cookie, you will need to fold the top circle and pinch it tight. Then from the bottom, push towards the center and pinch the 2 corners as well. Now you have a triangular shape. Make sure to seal very tight each corner that the cookie will keep its triangular shape during baking. You can close the Hamantaschen completely or leave a gap in the center, it's up to you. But don't forget to seal the corners very well. Bake the cookie at 325 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes till it's slightly golden. Don't overbake it. Another way of filling those cookies is to take 1/3 cup of a jam of your choice and add 1 teaspoon of cornstarch and half a cup of chopped walnuts. Mix it well. By adding the cornstarch to the jam, we're preventing the jam spreading and leaking during baking. Fill those cookies the same way as we did with the dates. Fold them and bake them for 20 to 25 minutes in 325 degrees Fahrenheit. Cool the cookies completely before we sprinkle powdered sugar on top. Serve and enjoy.